Hello children, welcome to the Kids TV. Today we will learn vegetables name. Amaranth leaves. This is amaranth leaves. Arrowroot. This is arrowroot. Artichoke. This is artichoke. Aubergine. This is aubergine. Bamboo shoots. This is bamboo shoots. Beetroot. This is beetroot. Bell pepper. This is bell pepper. Bitter gourd. This is bitter gourd. Black pepper. This is black pepper. Bottle gourd. This is bottle gourd. Broccoli. This is broccoli. Cabbage. This is cabbage. Carrot. This is carrot. Cauliflower. This is cauliflower. Celery. This is celery. Chickpeas. This is chickpeas. Chili. This is chili. Cluster beans. This is cluster beans. Colocasia root. This is colocasia root. Coriander leaf. This is coriander leaf. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.